Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and don't mind that I'm not wearing any makeup right now, just because I'm super excited about what we're doing today, and I just kind of didn't feel like getting ready, so yeah. But you know those videos that are like, try beautiful desserts in LA with me? Yeah, so we got them. So let's try them. We got the raspberry and we got mango, and shout out to my grandma for picking these up. Okay, so they're all like really crunchy usually in the videos, so let's see if they're crunchy. Guess I'm scared. Guys, it's crunchy, and it's like a cake, and it has cream, and it's like a mango. Bus. Ooh. That's really good. I think it's chocolate. Frankie. Okay. Now we will be trying the raspberry. I'm scared. Okay. Where do I bite it from? That's so good. That's my favorite. I have to save some of this for my brother, which I'm really sad about. So wait, I have to be strategic where I bite it. I hope you guys enjoyed this ASMR, and I'm definitely gonna be getting more of these in the future. My favorite one was this one, but it's also my brother's that I have to save for. So thank you for watching, guys.